Hazrat Ali, the brother of Prophet Muhammad, explained the creation of angels. Creation of angels. Then he created a crack between the high skies and filled it with all kinds of his angels. Some of them are in prostration, so they do not rise. Others are in kneeling positions, so they do not stand up. Some of them are ranked in an array, so they do not leave their stations. Others are extolling Allah without ever getting tired. The sleep of the eye, the slip of wit, the languor of the body, or the effect of forgetfulness does not affect them. Among them are those who work as trusted bearers of His message, thus serving as articulating tongues of His prophets. And there are those who carry His orders and commands. Among them are protectors of His creatures and guardians of the gates of the gardens of paradise. Among them are those whose steps are fixed on earth, but their necks protrude into the skies. Their limbs are out on all sides. Their shoulders are in accord with the columns of the divine throne. Their eyes are cast down before it. They have spread their wings down under it, and have rendered between themselves and all others curtains of honor and screens of power. They do not think of their Creator through images. They imagine of Him. They do not impute created attributes to Him. They do not confine Him within abodes, and do not point at Him through illustrations.